start with your hands like this. Each finger has a key under it. On the left side, you have your number 5 pinky finger on C, C, D, E, F, G, and on the right side, your thumb is on A, above middle, or right below middle C, A, B, C, D, E, like this. And the two shapes that you'll make with your hands to play this song are this, which I'll call closed position, and this is open position, which just means your thumb moves a little further from your index finger so that there's a key in between. The first chord has a C in the bass, that's your number 5 on the left side, and on the right side you're going to play in this open position this G with your thumb, third finger on C, and fifth finger on E, so it sounds like this. The second chord has your middle finger, number 3, on E, and your right hand, you just change from having your third finger down to your second finger down, so you have G, B, and E on the right side. And then the third chord, you're going to open your left hand out to that extended, that open position, and play A with your thumb, and then move your right hand into the close position and play A, C, E, like this. The next chord, you'll move your thumb back into this close, your left hand back into this close position and play G with your thumb, and slide your right hand over one key, so you're playing G, B, D, like this. And then the next chord is index finger in the left hand on F. Slide your right hand over one more key to play this shape. So, all the chords in the first section are these. Now, when you play the song, you alternate left and right hands like this, back and forth. Very simple rhythm. Here's the first section, which is most of the song. It's 4 times. The second chord is 4 times. The third chord is only twice. The fourth chord is twice. And the fifth chord is 4 times. It repeats this. This is the verse. And also the chorus. So it's a pretty simple song. The second section has your ring finger on the left playing this D, and then your right hand opens up into the open position with your thumb staying on the F, but the other finger is moving over like this, and you play 1, 2, and 5. The next chord is middle finger in the left hand on this E. Your right hand retains that same shape and moves over one key to these 3. And then you do the same thing again. Your left hand, the index finger is on F, and then your right hand slides over again. And then finally, your thumb on the left hand plays G, and your right hand slides over again to the B, D, and G. So the second section sounds like this. 4 times on this one, 4 times on this one, 4 times on this one, and then you sustain. Now there are some other sections that are almost like these, so once you can play these in time, then you pretty much have the song, and then you can play Count on Me by Bruno Mars. Now this isn't exactly the way that the recording